back to this. I'm going to harp on this. Take your ad budget and think about every time I spend $1, is it allowing me to grow my customer database? If it's not, don't do it. Because if it's not letting you grow your customer database, you in turn cannot grow your sales on your own. You have to keep paying the piper. You have to keep buying coupon ads, direct mail pieces, radio, TV. Now, if you've got a big enough budget that you have a budget up here that's, $500,000 and you can spend $100,000 on radio, $100,000 on TV, and then you've got ancillary stuff, you should do it. But if you're like most restaurants and you don't have $500,000, that you've got $1,500, $2,000, $3,000 a month, and you don't have the depth in your budget to go a lot of places, you need to spend all of that money on building your own customer list, because you want the people who like you. You want the people who are spending money with you. The people who are already in your restaurant, you need to be doing something to capture their information. Something like this. You need to have and I've actually got a free module on this if you want to know how to do this, something like this that your servers have around their neck that says, want a free pizza, want a dessert pizza, want a dessert for your birthday, want a free order buffalo wings. Scan this, go into Facebook Messenger, get their information. Now you can have more meaningful conversations with the people that you know have already made the first step. Because I'll ask you, does your service suck? Does your food suck? Does the atmosphere suck? Most of the restaurants watching this will say no, 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 no. And I had a customer ask me one time, well, Matt, how do I know that these 1,000 people are going to come back next month or the month after? I said, well, if we've got their information and we can talk to them and we talk to them in a manner that relates to them, why would you think they wouldn't?